What we're working on today is the apron. You're going to be using the directions that's in your project directions booklet that is in your desk drawer. We are going to start off with step 1 here. Essentially, our apron needs 2 yards of fabric. If you got 1 fabric of 2 yards, that's going to be just fine. If you got 2 fabrics, what we're going to do is we're going to lay out our fabric just like this. Now on my black fabric here, it's a little bit hard to tell. Essentially, it's as if, okay, I've got my bolt of fabric just like this. We went to the store, there was my cut edge. We unrolled our fabric, here's my cut edge. So this edge over here is my selvage edge, and I've got my fold right here. So I'm going to take my second piece of fabric and I'm going to do the same thing. I want to make sure I'm lining up my folds though. So we're going to put folds both on the same side. It's going to be, take a second here and just kind of talk about our fabric. Cut edge, selvage edge, and fold. This edge right up here, okay, you'll notice that my printed fabric here doesn't quite match up. They're not exactly the same. I'm not too worried about that, okay, because I've got a nice creased fold right here. We're not going to refold our fabric. Just leave it the way it is. It's just something that we're going to need to keep an eye on once we get ready to cut out our strap. So the important part is lining up this folded edge so they are exactly on top of each other. Our 2 folds are exactly on top of each other. Okay, we're laying it out. Cut edge, selvage edge. Remember that sometimes the selvage edge, the print goes all the way to the edge, the way that it does on the black, and sometimes you've got a white strip that's going down the edge. That's just a really tightly woven edge that's not going to fray, versus our cut edges that will fray. So we're done with step 1.